What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Amos, and this is
Oh
Zalea, and we are the Native Crown family. So, today, me and my daughter are going to be doing something called the Stepping Stone Mix and Mold, or Mix and Mold Stepping Stones. So, this right here, there's a lot of instructions in this. When I first was recording this with my daughter, I found out that you have to let this thing dry for 8 hours. That's going to take a long time. So, we're going to have two videos on this. We're going to do the first part right now, and that's us mixing it and putting it in here. Then the next part will be later on. So let's get back to it. Let's get to it. So one of the instructions tells us that we have to gently pour this into a mixing bowl. We have to pour half the bag of plaster into the mixing bowl, and then gradually add water and mix mixing at the same time. So there's the mixing thing right here. I guess this is supposed to be the mixing thing. Let's do like this. So this is, you're gonna be mixing this, yeah?
Okay.
Hold it. So now how you mix is like this. Gently. Real slow. Okay, can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, stop it. We have to pour half the bag in. Getting the dangerous knife. Cut it. Oh, look at that. See how quick that cut is? Gotta be careful. Dangerous knife. This is ceramic, so this is gonna take 8 hours to dry. So let's dump the half of the bag in there. Hold up, hold up. A little bit more. All right. Start mixing that. About half the bag. Yep, that's about half the bag. You gotta mix it fully. You gotta mix it like this. Okay? So try it. Okay, now I'm gonna start mixing. Start mixing it. Zaya, start mixing. Mix it. What you doing? Don't look at it like this. You gotta do this. Okay, here comes Daddy. He's gonna pour water. Start mixing it. Mix. Mix it. There you go. You might want to cover your nose there. Actually, keep mixing. I'll fix it. You mix. Keep mixing. Gotta get all around here. You see this right here? Gotta get all this.
Ow.
Hold it. Hold it. All this. We need cake batter, so. Alright, keep going. This is what, one of the instructions is that we have to wear a mask. That's why you see both of us in masks. Because if we don't have a mask on, all this smoke that's coming from this will get into our nostrils. And my daughter keeps moving hers down. Keep it there. Keep going. Okay, gradually adding the water and recommended adult porter. Hold up, keep on. Keep going. Keep twisting. It is recommended to have adult pour plaster while you stir. So now I gotta pour the plaster while she's stirring. Keep stirring. Keep stirring. Keep stirring, Zaya. Keep stirring. There you go. Stir hard.
Yeah, see. Wow. Is it in a bowl?
Yep.
Wow.
It's hard to stir from that far. Here. Get closer. Now try it.
Wow.
Let's keep going.
Oh.
We don't want it too runny.
Okay.
But we want it to be completely mixed. Completely mixed. Completely mixed. Yeah, there you go. We have to do all of the mix, because all of the mix is gonna go into that thing. Okay, keep going. I'll do a little bit more water. There you go. Now here comes the rest. Keep stirring. Keep stirring.
1, 2, 3. Got something? So, it's so
Keep going.
fine.
Keep going. Keep stirring.
That's it.
You gotta really stir this thing. Really stir it. This is a terrible stirring device. I don't know who thought about this. It's terrible. My daughter's having a hard time stirring this thing. Oh, jeez, I got it all on the table. Hey, good thing this table's meant for that. Table's all jacked up from other projects that we've done on it. I made a desk on this table, so this table is real jacked up. Oh, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Keep stirring. Just keep your stirring. To make it this is the right consistency right here. That's looking for. It said like a cake batter. If you guys ever had cake batter before, you just want to make sure we get all the chunks out. If you ever had cake batter before, this is how cake batter kind of looks right here. It's not really runny, but it's kind of runny. We want to make sure all the air bubbles are out, so we're going to put it into this thing and we're going to smack it against the table a few times. Okay, so now we're on the next step, which is add small amounts of water. So flip that over. Add small amounts of water. We did that. It says once it's at cake batter consistency, pour it in stepping stone mold. Pour into a stepping stone mold. Gradually pick up the tray and the molding from your work safe and wiggle it, making sure the plaster is mixed evenly and covers all surfaces. So we're gonna do like this. It's gotta be even, like this. Hold up. We gotta scrape the rest of this out. Let's scrape the rest of this out. See all this? Yeah, it wants to harden already. This is not like concrete. This is straight up plaster.
Oh.
Almost like, don't put your hand in it yet. Don't put your hand in it yet. Not yet. Not time yet. Okay. So, don't put your hand in it yet. Don't put your hand in it yet. It's not time yet. You can put your hand in it once we get it to the point where we can paint on it. You can put your hand in it. But right now we can't do it. No. Leave it alone. Leave it alone, little baby. Okay, so that's where it's at. It says lightly tap the stepping stone on protected area a couple times. This helps remove all the air bubbles and gives it a smoother surface. It says let your stone dry completely. This usually takes up to 8 hours. If you try to remove the stone from the stone tray before it dries, your stone will crack. So, what we are going to do is going to put this away, and we will be right back. What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy Amos, and this is... And we are the Native Crown family. So today we're going to finish up our little thing that we had. I want to show you guys what this actually came out looking like. But before we get to that, we got the scripture that we're using, and what we're doing today is Sirach 33:27, which says, "Send him to work, that he be not idle," because idleness teaches much evil. So we got to understand, we got to send our kids to work. So that's what she's doing when learning how to do this stuff. She's learning how to have skills and gifts and stuff like that, so that she's a good woman or a good wife for a man that she gets married to. Even though she's a baby, you got to do it now. You can't wait. But now this, we put it into this little container, and this is what it came out looking like. Now, this is solid stone, but you can see this little whatever the heck is on this, little things like that on it. So me and her are going to paint it today, and we're going to, I got to sand it first. I got to sand the back of it, and then we're going to move on from there.
Mix on the beat. I see you, Asa. Look, I'm back to business. Thought I was kidding. We in the streets, you in the kitchen. Over a rock, we on the block. Casting down imaginations and your thoughts. Ayy, I'm back to business. I'm back to business. I'm back to business. Ayy, I'm back to business. I'm back to business.